welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to polish your wheels. We've got some different scratches in here. Got some scuff marks. These are second-hand wheels that I've picked up from a BMW wrecker. They're going to go onto my new X3 that I haven't actually revealed to you yet. So there you go, I've just spilt the beans. But looking at these here, you see when you look up close, there's some scratches and some marks on here. This is one of the more marked rings. There's one that's going to need panel beating, probably spray painting and repair. But this one, I want to see how much I can get out, and we'll find out together with polishing. See the marks that are there and around in different places. So, and there's one big bad scratch. Where's that? There. That's quite a scratch. And I do the fingernail test. Oh, that's good. There's not actually a fingernail ridge in there as I scratch it. So we'll see how that goes with the polish as well. I'm going to go for a cut and polish. It's the thicker, not just a liquid polish, but a granular cream. Looks like that. And we're going to polish it up just with a simple attachment that goes on a drill. You can get these kits for $3 or $4 on eBay, and it comes with the pad so you can attach it to your drill. And I've found this really good for the up close stuff where you're wanting to focus on a patch and polish, and I've also got a bigger hand general polisher when you want to do an entire car. I wouldn't want to try and get a smooth finish out of an entire car with that little get up there, but this is awesome for small spots. If you've got a scratch that you want to work on, then you can finish off doing the whole car with the big polishing machine. And here, of course, these small surfaces up on the top, the smaller the system I've got going on that, the better. So come with me. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to get the material onto the application pad. Now, it's got a little bit of black on it because as I did some previous ones, I touched on the tyre, but it's not coming off. It's not coating onto the paint, so I'm just going to persevere with that for the moment. But you just need the smallest amount of this on. If you overdose at this point, you're actually going to end up with polish just flicking all over the place. And really what you want is the polish just to go where you want it to go. So just the smallest amount and brush it in, and that's actually all I'm going to put on there. And then very important with these foam pads is that there's some lubricant as well. So a bit of water or a bit of soapy water, and I actually brush that in to the pad. Again, the last thing you want is to polish a car or polish a spot and end up flicking so much polish all over the place that you've got a huge job of cleaning it up. So that's now quite damp and well lubricated. You can actually feel it with your finger or your glove when you're applying it, that it's smooth. It's not really hard off the foam. So that's lubricated up and ready to go. Okay, so there we go, and wow, I'm really happy with that. A lot of the marks came off, and particularly around the edge there. I'll bring it down close. Have a look. This is the edge I've just polished, and there's still a scratch crossways there. I'll have a look at some other ways to do that. I'm going to try and persevere with polish though, rather than going to sandpaper. Again, for this guy here, I'm thinking I'm probably going to have to hit it with some very fine grade sandpaper just to smooth that out a bit. and then finish it off with polish. I haven't hit that one as yet, but these ones I have, and that was a really, really good result. Again, I'll give you something a little bit more so you can see. There's that one. I'll give it a polish and I'll come back and show you after it's polished. So there you go. How good is that? Seriously, 30 seconds to a minute on each of those veins, each of those spines, and so much of that. Again, remember, looking at wheels, you're always looking from back a bit, but that is absolutely wonderful. It does help that these are, you know, genuine BMW M, they're really good quality wheels. There's a great big, nice, thick coating of clear over the top here, which can polish and respond to the polish. But I am just so happy with that result. There's a spot. No, as a matter of fact, that's just a bit of a mark. That'll polish out. So there you go. All of those little light scratches, so far as the eye can see, are gone. What's that there? There's one that hasn't come out, so I'll work a bit longer on that. But all of those small ones, they are, I promise you, the same spines that I showed you and then polished. Really, really happy with the result.